Welcome to the Right Price videos. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to apply your pricing. Before we get started in this video, I want to make it very clear that there are two methods for updating your pricing. One is through the web interface of Right Price, which we're about to review, and the second one is through the Excel interface. It is much faster to apply your pricing and to apply your selected individual units through the Excel export and import function. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the web interface of Right Price to select your units, your systems, and to apply your pricing. I'm going to start off by selecting pricing and then individual pricing. Down below are four main sections. The first one is filter by unit type, which I'm going to select AC condenser as my example. Filter by manufacturer, and for my manufacturer I'm choosing sample. And the third filter is by family, and I'm going to choose ACS 0. What happens is Right Price will automatically populate all of the parts that satisfy just these three filters. So you can see here that all of my model numbers that begin with an ACS 0 are populating down here. My second column is materials. In here I've overridden it to $1,000, and you can see that my brackets are angle brackets instead of square brackets. An angle bracket denotes that it's an overridden field. A square bracket denotes that it's an automated populated field. In my labor, you can see that I have a square bracket of $800. This was automatically calculated from my labor section under company defaults. And as you can see here, all of my other columns, they all have square brackets as well. The next column here is additional materials. That's calculated from the company defaults as well. So is warranty, extended warranty, and gross profit. The next two columns are commission and negotiation. These two settings are meant to be changed from this screen. The next column here is your total cost. Your total cost is the sum of your materials, your labors, and your additional materials. Your selling price is calculated from your total cost, but also includes your warranty, extended warranty, unit margin, commission, and negotiation. You need to check off the included checkbox if you sell that item. If you do not check this off, you will not see it in Right Price. So make sure that you check off all of your condensers, all of your coils, package ACs, and all of your unit types before you're ready to move to the next step. Our next screen is system pricing. System pricing is where you can review your total cost for all of your system combinations, and if you desire, you can adjust any of those columns to modify your total selling price. I have chosen AC cooling only as my filter selection type, sample as my manufacturer, and same as condenser manufacturer for my coil. On the far left hand side is my outdoor unit model, my condenser. In the third column from the left is my coil model number. To speed up this demonstration, I have already applied a price for outdoor unit model number and a coil unit model number, but in the system pricing screen it's taking the sum of the two units and giving us a total here under materials. Labor is automatically calculated from my system labors under company default, and so is my additional materials. Warranty and extended warranty is also automatically calculated from my company defaults. The next column is gross profit. The gross profit margin here is different from my individual profit margin. If you want to apply the gross profit margin for the system, you will check off the included checkbox. If you do not, Right Price will automatically use the gross profit margin from the individual pricing. We give you that flexibility to choose whether or not to use gross profit margin for systems or gross profit margins for individual pricing. Next is your commission percentage and your negotiation percentage. You can change those two fields here. The next column is total cost, what it cost you for this system. The last column here is your selling price, which is the calculated amount from your materials, labor, additional materials, your warranties, your margins, either system margin or individual unit margin, commissions, and negotiations. If you choose to use the system margin instead of the unit margin, you will check off this box. If not, leave it unchecked and it will still be an available system selection in Wright Mobile Consultant. The next button under Pricing is Excel Export and Import, but this is covered in another video. So if you'd like to speed up this process of selecting your units and applying your pricing, please review the video of how to export and import your Excel file. And this concludes our video. For all of your technical inquiries, please contact our support department at 781-862-8719 extension 2. To purchase or renew your Wright Mobile Consultant license, please contact our sales department at 1-800-225-8697 extension 3. You can also visit us on the web at www.wrightsoft.com. Thank you for watching.